Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you. Your friends are joining. Let me admit all.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
I am good, Daksha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am? Good afternoon, ma'am. How
Good
are you,
afternoon.
ma'am?
Good afternoon, all. I am going to mute all and listen to ma'am. So today I said we have addition chapter revision test that we will conduct at the end of the period. Okay, end of the session we will conduct. And now we will start the revision of chapter 6 time. Understood? We will start the revision of chapter 6 time now, and after some time we have our revision test of chapter 4 addition. Okay, so already we already revised the chapters time during the class also and in the remedial class also. First we will revise the points, then I will show you one notes that we will read, but we will not write now. I will send in the group so that you can copy from there in the notebook. Okay. And after revising, we will have our revision test. All are ready for test?
Revision test, max, addition.
That will be at the end of the session. Okay. Now, all of you, please listen to
That
ma'am.
of
Not now, not now. Ma'am will tell you when you see your class test. Now, listen to me. See, just starting the revision of chapter 6 time. And we all know there are 4 parts of the day. And we have morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay. And we will early wake up in the morning. We will brush our teeth. Then we have a shower. Then we have a breakfast. We will go to school. We will study in the school. We have lunch in the afternoon. We will play with our friends in the school. We will come back to the home. We will play in the evening time. Then we have a bath. Then we have prayer. We will have a dinner with our family members. And at last, we will again brush our teeth. And after that, we will go to our bed. So this is the daily routine of the day. So this events or this activities, some will be in the morning, some will be in the afternoon, some will be in the evening, and some will be in the night. And also we know one day means it is 24 hours, and we have the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, we call it as morning, and 12 noon to 5 o'clock we have afternoon, and 5 to 8 we have evening, and 8 onwards we have night. And when it is dark, we will say it is night. And also we can see stars in the sky, we can see the moon also, so we can identify which is day and which is night. And also we can see that the 12 noon we will call it as midday, and 12 night we will call it as midnight. And we have our breakfast in the morning, we have our lunch in the afternoon, and we have our dinner at the night. Now ma'am is going to share one screen, and this no need to write now. After the class I will send in the group, so you have to copy that into your notebook. Okay, so no need to write now, listen to me. So I'm going to share a once notes now. Elvin, read the first question. Elvin, read the first question.
people is
Eat
eat breakfast in the
Ah,
morning.
dash. People eat breakfast in the morning. Then, Sri Parvati, read the next one, second one.
Time at 12 noon is called
Ah,
dash
what is the answer? The time
midday.
noon is called midday. Okay, very good. Niva, read the third one. Niva, read the third one.
The time between 12 midnight
Ah,
and 12 noon is called morning.
very good. Now, Ananda Padmanabhan, read the fourth one. What is fourth one, Ananda Padmanabhan?
The
Hmm.
times
The time,
12,
12 o'clock.
12,
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock
Ah,
at
NIGHT. Night
NIGT night
is called,
is called
what will call?
midnight.
Midnight. Okay. So these notes you
Midnight.
write in your notebook after the class. After the class, I will send this note in the group. So you have to copy that. Okay. And now I will read once more. Okay. Revision chapter 6 time. Fill in the blanks. People eat breakfast in the dash. People eat breakfast in the morning. Second one, the time at 12 noon is called dash. The time at 12 noon is called midday. And third one, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called dash. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. And the fourth one, the time 12 o'clock at night is called dash. The time 12 o'clock at night is called midnight. Okay. So these notes you have to write in the notebook after the class. Now we will come to the addition chapter. All are ready for the exam? All are ready for the exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Now all of you listen to me. Just we can revise what all things we studied in the chapter. First of all, we see what is the meaning of addition. Addition means putting together. And we use plus symbol for addition. And the answer we got in addition, we call it as sum. And when we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. And when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. And while adding, if we change the order of numbers, nothing will happen to the sum. Okay, the sum will be same. And these are the questions, these are the important points we discuss in that class, in that chapter. Okay, so let me send the link in the chat box. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please be quiet. Please mute your devices. Please mute your devices. I send the link in the chat box. Please look at the chat box. You got it? You got the link? You have to open your Gmail, then only you will get it. Puvana, please check the chat box. Isa Maria got it. Ivan Tom got it. Those who got, please give me a thumbs up. Efron, Laiju, Nasia. Okay, very good. Aniva, Angela, Adwal, Rudraksh, Joanna Joshi. It's very, very simple. And if you touch that link, you can see, first of all, you have to type the name. So all of you, please type your name. All of you, please type your name. Then after that, you can see the class. And you have to touch the class 1C. Bhuvala, you got the link.
Please send link.
Okay, I will send once more. You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
The Parisha.
Please be quiet. Please mute your
Oh,
devices.
the Parisha.
Please be quiet. And we have the first question. Very simple. The sum of 2 and 0 is dash. The sum of 2 and 0 is dash. Option B 0. You can do yourself, no? It's very simple. Number 2, 10 plus 1 is equal to dash. 10 plus 1 is equal to dash. And the options A 10, B 11. Question 3, 8 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus dash. 8 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus dash. Option A 8, option B 10. Option A 8, option B 10. Question number 4, the answer in addition is called dash. The answer in addition is called dash. And the option A sum, option B difference. Question number 5, 8 plus 5 is equal to dash. 8 plus 5 is equal to dash. Option A 12, option B 13.
Ma'am, please send one more link.
Okay. I will send it. You got the links, Sri Parvati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And question number 6.
Ma'am.
1 more than 9 is dash.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Mammy, I have 10 out of 10.
Angela, please be quiet. It's okay. I will call you. I will call out the name and I will ask you how much. Is that time you please tell me, okay? Very good, Angela. Please mute your devices.
Leave.
No, you can't leave now. Listen. So question number 6, 1 more than 9 is dash. 1 more than 9 is dash. And option A 10, option B 9. Option A 10, option B 9. Aldrin Shibu, you got the link?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
I will.
Are you doing?
Yes, I will finish.
Finish.
Ma'am, I
Yes, tell me.
question. Can I
It's
leave?
not now.
Ma'am, I will. Ma'am, I will finish it.
It's okay, Elvin. Please be quiet. Question number 7, add 2 plus 3 plus 5. Addition of 3 one-digit numbers. And option A 5, option B 10. And question number 8, Geeta has 5 crayons, Anu has 4 crayons. Geeta has 5 crayons, Anu has 4 crayons. How many crayons do they have in all? I will send the link once again. Those who joined late, I am sending the links once again.
Ma'am, welcome later.
Now, answer A 9 crayons, answer B 10 crayons. And question 9, Rahul had 25 stamps in his album. He got 20 more from his friend. How many stamps did he have in all? Rahul had 25 stamps in his album. He got 20 more from his friend. How many stamps did he have in all? So both are 2-digit numbers. You have to add separately in a paper. and find out the answer. And we have the options A 40 stamps, B 45 stamps. And the last question is related to number line, addition using number line. Number line is given, you have to find out, means the number which we have to write in the boxes. That means we have to fill the boxes. And options are A, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. B, 4 plus 7 equal to 3. So be careful. Look at the options carefully and touch correctly.
4 plus 3 is equal to 7.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Hiba, please be quiet.
Ma'am, Karthik
I didn't ask any
submitted.
answer. It's okay,
Ma'am,
Karthik. It's okay,
Ma'am.
Karthik.
And gonna get 10 out of 10.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Please be quiet. I will ask you. Please be quiet.
Ma'am, I have a link.
So before submitting the paper, check the answers once again.
Ma'am,
Look at the options. Read the question and look at the options carefully and touch the correct answers.
ma'am, I want link.
Afron need link. Okay, Afron, I will send it.
Ma'am, Ritika, 10 out of 10.
Okay, good. Efron, you got it?
Ma'am, Karthik has 10 out of
Excellent. Efron, you got the link?
Ma'am, and key mark it is 10 out of 10.
Please talk in English.
Ma'am, they'll go 10.
Okay, excellent.
And Hiba got 10 out of 10.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, Hanan got 10 out of 10.
Very good. So you all
Ma'am,
studied well, that's why.
8 out
You
of
all
10.
understood the concepts, no? Not only for this revision test, you should get for the MCQ 3 examination also.
Ma'am,
Who is making sound? Please be quiet. Don't disturb others.
Ma'am, Ma'am, please. 10 out of 10.
Isabel, really want... Okay, I will send the link, Isabel.
Ma'am,
Isabel,
Sripad,
please check. Isabel, Lily, please check. Check the chat box.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Sripad, 10 out of 10.
Okay, Sripavati, very good.
Ma'am, 10 after. Ma'am, Alvin, 10 out of 10.
Okay. See, 9 out of 10. Okay, or 9. Don't say 10 out of 9. See, 10 is a bigger number, no. 9 is a smaller number. So 9 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Bhuvana got full marks. Excellent.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Karthik have full mark.
Okay, front good.
Ma'am, Karthik have full mark.
Okay, Karthik, I heard. It's okay. Those who go to full marks, excellent. Okay, you studied well, that's why. And listen to ma'am. After this class, I will send the notes in the chat box. Sorry, in the group. Okay, so you have to copy it into the notebook. Time chapter notes I will forward in the group. You have to copy it in your notebook. Take a fresh page and copy after the class, after the session. Agamya, where are you? I can't see you.
And Joanna rose 10 out of 10.
Very good, Giovanna. You all studied well. That's why.
Said 10 out of 10.
Okay, good, Aldrina. Very good.
Out of 10.
So almost all students got full marks. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Angela, 10 out of 10.
Very good, Angela.
Neva, full mark.
Very good, Niva. Okay, okay. So do one thing. Listen to ma'am. So those who have completed and those who see the score can leave now. But you have to do one thing. You have to copy the notes in your notebook. Okay. And I will check next day. Wednesday, I will check. After this class, I will send the notes in the group. So please copy that. Okay. So those who have completed can leave now if you want. Otherwise, up to the end of the class, you can be there.
See you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Niva. Bye, Niva.
Bye, bye, ma'am. See you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. See you. Bye. എവിടെ ക്ലാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞു
Ivan, how much mark you got it, Ivan, Tom?
I got good mark.
Ah, very good.
Ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Ma'am, Isabel 8 out of 10.
Okay, good. Try to get full marks next time, Isabel.
Okay, ma'am. Can I leave, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. You can leave. But you have to complete the notes in the notebook, okay? Which is sent in the group. Anna Rose, what happened?
I didn't get the link.
I will send the link now. Look at the chat box. You got it? Anna, you got it?
Nasa page out of 10.
Okay, Faba. Next time you should get full marks. Anna, you got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Number 9 out of 10.
What happened to the 1 mark, Manna? Next time, try to get full marks, okay? Iron Paul, please turn on your video. Iron Paul, please turn on your video. Anna Rose, please turn on your video. Badra, you completed.
Yes.
How much mark you got it, Badra?
10 out of 10.
Very good. Aaron, how much?
10 out of 10.
Uh-huh. Joanna Joshi, how much? 10. Anna Rose, please turn on your video. Do you have any doubt in the questions? Anna Rose completed?
Yes.
How much work you got it?
10 out of 10.
Very good. So, is there a doing now? Anyone? No. Everybody have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, all of you have to write the notes which I am sending in the group in the notebook. Okay. Take a fresh page and write. So, we will meet in the next class. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next class. Joanna Rose, bye bye. We are very happy today.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Try to get full marks for the next exam also. Okay. So bye bye. See you in the next class.